Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 Coupe 2LZ in Watkins, Glen gray on titanium and black interior. So I'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. I'll let you have a look at the trunk area. So this one has the color match targa top that fits nicely here in the back. As you can see, we've got the privacy shield in front as well as above up here. I'll just pull the top and have a look underneath. So I just washed it. That's why the carpet looks a little odd. It's just drying from having a wet clean. So that's nice. And then we've got the netting down here for holding your items in place. Down in the corner, we've got storage. There's a fuel filler tube down there as well. And we'll just close this and close the lid. It does have soft close, so I'll just press that. It'll pull itself shut. We've got the nice carbon flash metallic stage 2 rear spoiler with the two winglets on the side. It's got the nice clear Z06 taillights. We've got the carbon flash badge package and the NPP quad tip exhaust. So on the exhaust, the two outer ports have dampers on them that open and close electronically to make it louder or quieter based on your setting. So we'll shift around this side here. We've got the vents. They're done in carbon flash metallic as well. And then we've got the nice high gloss black wheels, red calipers, and nice Michelin tires on there. As you can see along the side here, we've got the exposed carbon fiber Z07 style side skirts. And then at the passenger door, we've got the nice titanium and ebony leather with the nice baseball stitching, 10 speaker Bose stereo, power windows, power locks, and electronic door release. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side. It's in good shape, as you can see. And our power seat is power 4 aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'm just gonna go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. And as we get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. On this side here, we've got heated and cooled seat for the passenger temperature display, passenger temperature control, nice baseball stitching on the lower as well as on the upper portion of the dash. The dash is in great shape, as you can see. And we'll just hop out and close this side up. And I'll just step to the back of the vehicle and we'll move along this side of the car so you can see the condition. And at the front, we've got the nice carbon flash metallic vent insert, Z06 chrome logo there. And then it's also got a carbon fiber look piece here for catching stones, which is nice. Matches well with the existing skirts. And here's our front wheels. So it's got the nice black high gloss Z06 wheels. We've got the red Corvette calipers, the two-piece rotors, and the nice Michelin tires. Under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, LT4, which is supercharged, 650 horse, 650 foot-pounds of torque. As you can see, it's nice and tidy underneath. We've got the cable here for the mag ride. We've got our dry sump oil system here. And you also get the rear diff cooler and transmission cooler with the Z06. It's got the nice Z06 logoed hood liner as well. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood and we'll move around to the front. So from the front, we've got the carbon fiber, exposed carbon fiber front lip. Looks good, as you can see. There is one little mark just over here, I'll show you. It's just a little tiny bump right there. You know, the size of a fingernail, but it's there. On the 2LZ, we also get the front curve view camera, so there's one there, and there's one over here. We've got the black housing, projector HID headlights, LED daytime running lights, LED turn signals, and the carbon flash vent insert here, and then the nice exposed carbon fiber hood insert there as well. Looks great. So we'll continue on. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice high gloss black wheels, red calipers, Michelin tires, and same thing back here. Fantastic. So we'll move on to the driver's side. So at the driver's side, we've got the Bose stereo 10 speaker. We've got power windows, power locks. We've got 2-user programmable memory, programmable exit button, electronic door release, and the nice baseball stitching there. Here's the kick plate on the driver's side. So a little bit of minor scuffing. We'll go ahead, we'll polish it. We'll make it look the best we can for you. For the power seat, you got power 4 aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'm just gonna go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Awesome, so as we get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. We'll get in, we'll fire this one up. There it is. So in terms of kilometers, we have 22,747. No warning lights or issues there on the dash. Over here we've got our cruise control buttons. Down below we've got favorite or track change for the radio. Volume controls here, the nice carbon fiber Z06 logo here on the steering wheel. We've got our arrow keys up here which work the dash, that gives us info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options. Above that is telephone hang up, telephone answer, and voice command. You got rev match on and rev match off. Same thing over here. What rev match will do will, when you're downshifting, it'll automatically rev the engine to match the speed of the transmission. Inside here we've got power tilt and telescopic steering column, heads-up display controls, power window or power mirrors, trunk release, and motion alarm on and off. So I'll just shut off the lights for a moment and I'll just show you the heads-up display. So there it is, and you can cycle through different screens to display different information. So that's great. On this side we've got our push button start. We've got behind screen storage with a USB port. We'll put the screen up here. We've got audio, so you got AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB, and auxiliary line in. You've got telephone controls, projection, which is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. We've got cameras, so there's your front curb view cameras, reverse camera, and you can turn the lines on and off as well. And then down below, we've got dual zone climate control. So this is the driver's temp, that's the passenger temp, which again is controlled by the buttons over here. And we've got heated and cooled seat for the driver, heated and cooled seat secondary controls for the passenger, and we've got our Z06 placard here, which I'll just zoom in on. Z06, 650 horse, 650 foot-pounds of torque. There's your 7-speed manual shifter, and here's our mode selector. So when we twist the mode selector, we get sport. I'll just zoom in on that just one moment. Sport, track, weather, eco, and back to touring. You've got your emergency parking brake here. Inside we've got 2 USB ports, an auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt socket. There's our frameless auto-dimming rear view mirror with OnStar, and you've got an auto-dimming driver's side mirror as well. So now we'll just hop out with the running, we'll have a look and a listen. Nice sound to it. And I'll just show you here from the front with the headlights on. Nice bright lights. And we'll just move along this side of the vehicle so you can see the condition. Nice sound to it. What an awesome machine. One of the best colors too, Watkins Glen Gray, very nice color. Love it. And there you have it, folks. 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 2LZ and Watkins Glen Gray, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.